Log in with your ConnectFacts ID. This is what your ConnectData screen will look like. ConnectData is the digital data twin of your manufacturing shop floor. ConnectSIC helps the user to capture real-time key parameters to track productivity of operations. Select machines. This indicates the machines and their types or pieces of equipment. This works for fixed as well as movable machines. Grouping helps you connect your machines. It's a digital replica of the shop floor and gives you every single detail of every small piece connected to each machine. This is what your ConnectMonitor dashboard will look like. As the name suggests, ConnectMonitor helps the user to monitor the data he or she is responsible for. It is end-to-end, real-time and allows the user to keep an eye on the OEE of your manufacturing unit. Select the line insights to access machine or equipment-based data. It allows you to select month-wise, date-wise, or any custom period range to get analytics. SIC means short interval control. It identifies performance leakages and helps in preventing operational losses. ConnectSIC helps the user to capture real-time key parameters to track productivity of operations. Whenever there is drop in productivity, the notification and escalation loops helps immediate intervention of the supervisorial staff to restore productivity. This is what your ConnectRecap workflow will look like. RECAP stands for reliability and capability. It facilitates the user with effective execution of scheduled and calendarized activities. My Activities section lets you understand the tasks that are scheduled and assigned. It further helps in checking details and ensuring whether the defined task is done appropriately and completed. This tool allows you to get things done with an optimized arrangement of critical assets. This is what your ConnectCore workflow will look like. CORE stands for Coordination and Resolution. It refers to the relation between on-demand ticketing system, response time, and resolution time. This module is best used to empower frontline staff with quick information flow, interdepartment coordination, and time-bound resolution, thus improving availability. This is what your ConnectAllocate workflow will look like. This stage is co-related to the previous stages, ConnectSIC, CORE and RECAP. It facilitates managers to prioritize tasks and efficiently manage the team under one single dashboard. As you see, the user can assign and delegate tasks as per the team, track the progress and mark it as done once it is attended. As we move to the other part of the dashboard, the user can check the status of the work orders or issues and monitor the overall manpower productivity of the shop floor. This is what your Connect Key Responsibility Area (KRA) dashboard will look like. It is the ultimate dashboard of dashboards and offers a real-time scorecard for each role and each employee. For example, the user is looking for insights related to fine wire drawing. Under the KRA section, he can find detailed analytics on OEE, deviations, downtime, meeting insights and other notifications related to the production. In short, this module is a one-stop to ensure that data from all other modules are in place and taken care of. This is what your ConnectAction Log dashboard will look like. A meeting management tool to facilitate meetings and their effectiveness. It lets the user create, structure and review meetings progress. This is a summarized view of all the tasks where the user can change the status of the action based on the progress. The user can also change the due date in case of any delays. Find details of every meeting like the actions discussed and logged in with the responsible person under the agenda. Action Log also provides a detailed version of the dashboard where the user can see the meeting effectiveness based on the principal parameters of effectiveness. It also showcases the individual users as well as the overall team's performance.